Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an ESIM on your Apple Watch Ultra. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS and your Apple Watch Ultra has the newest Watch OS. Next, confirm your cellular carrier supports ESIM for Apple Watch. Finally, have your cellular plan details readily available. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth activation process, ensuring everything is prepared before you begin this simple setup. To activate your cellular service, begin by opening the Apple Watch application on your paired iPhone. From there, navigate to the My Watch tab, which is typically found at the bottom of the screen. Then, select the cellular option. You will then see a prompt to set up cellular or add a new plan. Simply follow the straightforward, on-screen instructions provided by your cellular carrier to complete the activation. If you encounter any issues during the setup, don't worry. First, try restarting both your iPhone and your Apple Watch. This simple step often resolves minor glitches. Next, double-check that your cellular plan is active and fully compatible with your watch model. If problems persist, contacting your cellular carrier's customer support is a good idea for specific account-related assistance. Also, ensure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your iPhone. Setting up an ESIM on your Apple Watch Ultra offers fantastic benefits. You can enjoy full cellular connectivity even when your iPhone is not nearby, giving you true independence. This means you can make and receive calls, send messages, and stream your favorite music directly from your wrist. It's perfect for staying connected during workouts, outdoor adventures, or simply when you want to leave your phone behind. Enjoy the freedom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.